just leaving Harrison's camp. What an amazing experience. If you don't stop here, you're missing out. Don't know how to explain it. Headed towards the Kennebec River this morning. It's a schedule. Just have to be there between 9 and 2. We're only 3.5 miles away. Usually try to get out of camp by 6 or so. But to have the pancakes. So much more than pancakes. Today will be one of those highlight days, I guess. Been waiting a long time, and it just feels so surreal, this final part of the journey. Being able to see places like Harrison's, and in less than a mile we'll be crossing the Kennebec River by canoe. This whole journey has been something. The first part filled with a lot of hard climbs, and I know I still have some ahead, but the weather, just a combination of a lot of things, made it pretty tough and made it a little miserable at times, to tell you the truth. But the last few days have just been nothing short of spectacular. Just filled with immense blessings in the people I've met and the sights I've got to see. It's just so much beauty and everything. We are at the Kennebec. Pretty awesome.
That's a nice day today.
You aren't kidding. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here with Pineapple, I came up out of the Kennebec, and look at this spread, man! What a wonderful trail angel. Thank you so much for all you do.
My pleasure.
I had plans to camp on top of Pleasant Palm Mountain in hopes to catch the sunset and then the sunrise in the morning. But when I reached the ridge, I realized this was not my best option. Everywhere I looked, there were storm clouds, and there was rain on the horizon. As I moved across the ridge, I was monitoring the conditions and hoping it would just go around me. But it was moving in too fast. The rain was catching up, the winds were picking up, and I could hear thunder and lightning moving in. As I continued to hike, I couldn't help but reflect on the day, my time at Harrison, and how special that was. Being able to finally see the Kennebec River and crossing it in the canoe. But I had to find somewhere that was going to be safe for the night. Eventually I would find a place in a little small canyon just below tree line. I set my tent up just in time. Rain was coming down, and it did soak me. But I had something in my favor: pancakes. That night, when I huddled in my tent, I pulled out my pancakes, and that's what I had for dinner. And I sat and I thought how special today was.